But anyway, tell us why autism kumiyo lo ithandza kakhulu.
Ayikho out there.
Yeah.
Bantu abasengayati and we need to create the awareness kakhulu. Ngoba labantwana silakuvela nasemakhaya.
Yeah.
And as understand, siyabona emphakathini as understand.
Yeah.
So vele le noma ngabe kuthiwa mbhizi ngakanani.
Ushiya konke phansi.
Nginje. We
No.
need to create the awareness kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ngajabula nangibuka autism.
Yeah. Khuluma nami ke ma.
Mina ngikhule bathi it takes a village to raise a child.
Yeah.
Uma umntwana wakamakhelwane umbona anganakudla.
Yeah.
Akukhiphe wena unako ukudla ubekile efridge. Uhleli ungenasidingo.
Yeah.
Umbone ukuthi shemkhulu. Kanjalo nalaka lo focus. Bethu bala timid.
Yeah.
Siwokha nawo.
Yeah.
Angeke kubonani sinebantwana abafana. Mara sifuna kubabona bakhona.
Yeah.
Sinebantwana abanama uniforms but sifuna kubabona baphasile esikolweni. Kude lo kubalekelelako njani.
Yeah.
Kuletha sithombe lesinjani kithi as parents siwalk like timid.
Yeah.
So I like it very much. Make sure ukuthi noma ngabe kuthiwa sebuyiwa
Michael's
Michael's children's
Yeah.
home. Yes. You make sure noma ngabe kunamali ngamane ngithi my sister.
Yes.
At least 50 rand get.
Borrow me money. Yeah. Yeah.
Fake kuna khona lenkwendako.
Yes.
Ngoba ngiyakwazi kungabi nesiko kunjani. Cabanga ke ukuthi labantwana bani.
Sanibonani babukeli mama emakhaya. This is Lawful Walkers podcast, and of course this is your host Rebecca Mhleli, podcasting live emigwaqweni yase-Nasport. Phela umgwaqo wethu muhle kakhulu, sivuka kuseni sigijime sento konke nama podcast, but today ngilandzela yena sesiQueenet wakamkhabela. Sifuna kumati ukuthi ungubani udume ngani ku Lawful Walkers and outside of Lawful Walkers. Nina hlala lapha nje nithi ne ngisayendandzela yena sitofuza kabanzi.
Bagare kaula wa awiri tu Ujai bagare wanyadi warire tri Ujai bagare ufasite rire fo Just 1, 2, 3, 4 Chiga 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 Oh chiga man Chiga 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 Oh chiga man Chiga What's about pilo bio
Sanibonani ke babukeli bami emakhaya. This is the Lawful Walkers podcast and namhla ke nginiphethele sesiQueenet wakamkhabela njengoba sengishida. Angathi kuzoba mnandi la ekhaya. Unjani sithando sami? Ngiyaphila. SesiQueenet tshela abantu ukuthi Queenet ungubani wakabani uya kuphi.
Igama lami ngiNkwinet Mkhabela, walayilikazi.
Yeah.
Member ye-Lawful Walkers. Njeke ngikhona kasho sesi.
Yeah.
Mina ngimntwana wala ekhaya.
Hallelujah.
Nami nje. I'm the daughter of Lawful Walkers.
Nakia. Imagine that. Such a gigantic team. Imagine.
The greatest team in Mpumalanga.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, Queenet is one of the gods, Swaziligas, gods. Who was so excited? Mangimbite ngithi "What Basiligas? What's it?" They thought we got chocolate or something. And hey, Moti Babugi.
Always standing for the team.
Yeah, I understand. Nonetheless, they did an amazing job for Ruti Moto. Yeah, jack of all trades. I'm capable of Gaza.
Kagat.
Bona.
Your team.
Our person.
Nje. Umanzinga Kagat.
Yeah, available.
Available. Always. For your team, I could take one forever.
Nakia.
Yeah.
Nikubhe kahle lokho. Sithando sami, tell me, like haya ufike njani njengabani ngeLawful Walkers? Okay.
Like ngimbona every Saturday man uyapost.
Yeah.
Hayi man.
Yeah.
Ungangishile.
Ubusy.
Ngathi kumnanzi la.
Yeah.
La ngiyakuthanda.
Yeah.
No one. Next week ngiyakulazi.
Okay. Yeah.
Ngabe nje. Ngikhumbula besiya emoyeni.
Yeah.
Mistake. To where people cancer walk.
Okay.
cancer or purple.
Is it pink or purple?
But bekugqoka purple
Purple.
theme of the day.
Okay.
Ngasho nginje ngathi
Yeah.
yakhona.
Yeah.
She mina I enjoyed it ngoba ngingumuntu lothanda kuhamba.
Yeah.
I was a scout. Manje vele lokuhamba
Yeah.
camp, hikes.
Oh.
So vele kuhamba nje.
Izinto ungumhambi.
Yebo. Kwami nje kuhamba.
Yeah.
So I enjoyed kakhulu. Nale vibe lamgwaqeni.
Yes.
Buya girl.
Yeah.
And I wasn't even tired ngoba
Yeah.
vele ndidance.
Iyakuletha.
The next week ngimgirl ngakhohlwa.
Yeah.
Ngiyahamba.
Yeah.
Kodwa
Uva kahle sana. Usesibanda kakujulise i-local workers. Ngesikho ngathi ufune ngithengele i-chocolate yathi.
kakhulu
Ungilethela abantu laba-rights.
yabona abantu labayithandayo
Uyayi-understand abantu abanye bangihluphe bahluphe i-team. Abantu laba-open, ba-ready for anything for the team.
asifuni macala
Yeah. No guys, sendivile-ke ukuthi ekuphelele ungubani wakabani Kortesi we-team. Mina vele ngiyaphanda amagama lakhaya. So lona ngikortesi wasethimini.
onke
Yeah, onke akho ngwanika wena. So Sandwa sami, tell me, yini lo ithatha nge-local workers?
ngiyabona lokunye noma ngabe ufika ukuthi uhamba wena abantu
Yeah.
angeke ufike ukuthi point namngani
Yes.
ngoba sonke struggle siyastruggle
Yeah.
sonke sashaya ugcina ufika ngisola sifike kulo lehleleni ungamadi leligama
Yebo phela.
iqale njalo indzaba nize niyofika ku-water point ningakeva ukuthi hamba 5 kilometers sophelile
Njalo nje.
njalo nekujika kwakhona awubuki
Yeah.
nakuthi siyanakana nje
Yeah.
angeke kube na-something lephulu bese asadi futhi nesibonako
Yeah.
nalokuthi uma there's a person in need let's do something
Yeah. Yeah.
khona akusi-force but ukuthi umuntu kuyamthinza nje
Yeah.
akhone naye kupha it's a great thing akusima-movement amaningi lakhona kodwa intoni nje akhathalale nabo
Yeah. Ngiyakuva Sandwa sami, nimve kahle ke la ekhaya siyakhathalelana. Siyabambisana la emgwaqweni njengoba nje umuthi lo mgwaqo, so uningengani udozwe nemngani. So Sandwa sami, wena usafunza sikolo, uyasebenza or usafuna sikucashe?
ngafunza
Yeah.
but there's always an open door for learning
Yes.
ngafunza manje
Yes. Yeah. Sandwa Sam, if you don't mind, can you tell us a bit about autism? There are people who don't know autism. Myself, autism, ngaifunza ka local workers. I didn't even know what there's such as autism.
okay i-autism isifo it's a it's
Yeah. I know English is fine. We don't mind.
classical is fun
Yeah.
in neurodivergent
Yabona le ngifuna ayiphinze ne because mama ikhama ne drama ngifuna aphakamise kancane voice. In neurodivergent leyo iphinze sesi.
it's a neurodivergent condition I'm thinking but it affected the way umntwana athola ngayo i-information processa ngayo futhi i-information
Yeah.
labantwana sibabona abafani labanye babaku-severe labanye baku-moderate
Yeah.
lomunye ubona ukuthi angakhuluma kakhulu ukuthisile
Yeah.
ufuna umfundise ufuna umlekelele labanye njalo bayakhona ukukhuluma labanye bane-hyperactivity labanye bayastima ubona nje adlulisa something or kube nesound nakayithanda kuyena noma afike umuntu ashaya the-eyebrow or eye-kiss or eye-smell
Yeah.
kube into yakhe nje
Yeah.
le-repeated labanye bane-echolalia sawubona khonena sawubona khonena kuningi nje ukana nakwentako baba nama-challenges amaningi but anzima ukuthi as a parent or as a community bese siyababeketelela sifunze kuhlalisana nabo
Yeah.
ngoba labanye abavani nemisindo
Yeah.
nje in a place like this angabe sekavalete indlebe lomunye isimo so too much bese lomunye uba
Sorry.
lomunye bese uba stimulated
Yeah.
abese uba rested labanye bese bakusasa njenge-tetram kanti so
yeah.
overstimulated
Yeah.
akasakhoni ukubeketelana nalenzawo lakhona.
Yeah. No, I had to ask her to share a bit about autism because uyamthola umntwana ekhaya nale problem leyo bese uyamthethisa umtreat otherwise kani nama ngifuni ukuthi une condition but une condition unesimo lefunesa isicapho yakubona njengoba basho ukuthi umntwana afike mhlambe akuthi nje esithubeni nje afika ukuthi asiyamthethisa no zama kumbuka mntwana ukuthi kwendakalani ngaye kuze atokhona kuthiwa sithi ungatholi somu-edela more stress mhlambe kuloku lakakuko but like haya siyafundisana. I'm sure we still gonna have an autism walk whereby sizofunza even more and put the information there kuma-social media platforms wethu. Namkhabela ngiyabonga kakhulu for that sithando sami. I'm sure after this podcast 2 or 3 badali badodopa 1 or 2 asho ukuthi hayi man hlezi ngimthethisa lo mntwana kanti isimo siso.
And I encourage ukuthi futhi babafundise la
Yeah.
uma sekatholile ukuthi umntwana une-autism I encourage ukuthi abafundise
Yeah.
ababekise kubo-doctor
Yeah.
abawahambele ma-appointment abo balethile lebabasika ngayo yinto leletibenza
Yes.
uma ahleli naye anje
Yeah.
they
Okay.
uma anganani naye kuphela
Yeah. Yeah.
ngo-3 angalala nge-mistake ngo-3 uvulile ubukela i-TV kude nalokhu kude nalokhu lokona abe-on the stage ukuthi akhone ukuphila kahle nabo bonke abantu labasempilweni.
Yeah.
So I encourage kakhulu ukuthi take your child to the doctor if you can.
Yeah.
Take your child to the clinic bakhone ukumsita ngendlela efanele.
Like nivule kakhulu guys, it's very important ukuthi mawubona ukuthi umntwana ngathi akafunctioni kahle hle njengalabanye abantwana ungacabangi ukuthi avela lo unjena uhlukile ufuta khokho akukho kufuta khokho la umuntu nenkolo yakhe umuntu nekuphila kwakhe thatha mfana umyise esibhedlela bahambe bomcheck ukuthi vele ufute khokho noma une problem lidzinga lesito. Ngiyathemba ukuthi lokho ndokuthatha very serious abantwana phela bayi future yethu yakusasa ene kubalekile ukuthi sibakhathalele. Hayi ke sisikhulumile ke ngeautism. I hope udobhile lapho nalapho ukuthi kufanele wende njani uma umbona mntwana ane situation thizeni. Darling, siyabonga for that information. Nave ngiyafilmetana like mangathi ukuthi unento la singancela khona vele ngiyabancelisela ababukeli bethu emakhaya ukuthi bafunze nabo. Siyabonga kakhulu for that beautiful information. So sandwa sami ke la ekhaya sinama walk lahlukahlukene. Exactly. Don't you get what's your favorite rock? At autism. Ngasabut lamanye vele. Okay, I guess we all know why I turn to autism. Okay, but anyway, tell us why autism. Kumi lo ithanza kakhulu.
Ayikho out there.
Yeah.
Bantu abasengayadi and we need to create the awareness kakhulu. Ngoba labantwana silakuvele nasemakhaya.
Yeah.
And as understand siyabona emphakathini asi-understand.
Yeah.
So vele le noma ngabe kuthiwa mbhizi ngakanani
Ushiya konke phansi.
nginje we
No.
need to create the awareness kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ngajabula nami ukuthi ne-autism.
Yeah. Yeah. Akhuluma nami ke manje.
Yeah, nathi siyabona nje bekhona.
Yeah.
But I was here
Yeah.
to learn ngoba kubalulekile ukuthi sifunde angithi sinema experiences nabanye.
Yes.
Umntana une-experience lehlukile kuneyami.
Yeah. Exactly. No, nidivele ndithandwa dam uma ngabe ke la ekhaya ke njengoba besekushilo ke ukuthi sinako konke nangisisudila ngebantwana labane-autism and if like kulofo workers umntwana akho khona mhlambe lo ngakuvisisi kahle ungeta lamkhabela lana umbuzo ukuthi mani I think the challenge there so ngoba namntwana mthanza kwenda 1 2 3 I believe she will help you, she will lead you to the right direction ukuthi mama mlethe kuphi or hayi wenda 1 2 3 1 2 3 and then the child udo khona ukuthi asidakala ngisho sithanda sami yamna vele nginicasha ngengane.
I always encourage ukuthi before uyothi umem nami ngimbona wena ukuthi I always encourage ukuthi qala kunakho konke mikise eclinic ukhulume nemuntu lo qualified to diagnose akutshele kahle ukuthi mina nakho vele njengokusho ukuthi unalokho ngithatha ummikise la ku relevant people ngoba nathi as teachers asinalo vele nakho unasifo bani sine nje singakubonisa take your child to the doctor bese bamsita ngendlela efanele.
Yes. No, uyabona ungathi awukeva nyalo ngakushanjani. Ngakushaxa ngoba bathi ke njengoba sekashilo sisiwami thatha umntwana uya doctor before uya esikoleni uyokhuluma lokhu nalokhu. Bathi ke for more information if you need to know more information about it usasaba ke ka doctor ukhona sisila ku uhlezi eda noma uyeda kimi udocela inamba yakhe ngiyakuneta inamba yakhe uyamfonela niyahlangana so that silwela abantwana bethu ukuthi babe right dithandwa dam. Ngiyabonga ke Sithando, I'm not going to ask you ngale ngiwalk lo ithandwa because udokusifakela udokufake but ke angichubeke sami sinokuba nama long walks like asiba nawo vele every June lapho we are uniting the African countries. Ufila njani ngalama walks lawo? What's your take? Do you feel siyayithola lento lesifunako? Do you feel we are doing an amazing job? Nina ningasuka nje nithathe 500 kilometers for no reason now uyibonje nje sina. How do you feel about it?
Kancane
yeah
siyavela
kancane
kuyohlangana ngithandela isikhululo salomnyaka kuyohlangana African night kancane i-Africa idobuya kuyohlangana
yes
siyahamba nje mangabe bengekade last time ngebhakabela ngoba khumbula nanigibela ibhasi naniba online ngenje ngiyahlabela ebhasini ngidiva ngathi ngikhona nami manje lo hlela ekhaya lo seZimbabwe lo seSwatini noma la eAfrica la khona nakabukela naye uyanabela ididi and uyabona lobunye lobendekako la akukhethwa umuntu sidla ama-kilometer nje kuphela kancane siyavela i-Africa iyohlangana ngoba it takes one step ukuthi kushintsheke lento ufuna ukutshintsha nokuthi i-local workers isukumile yathatha leso step bakhona la labasele emuva kulala amanye ama-countries nabo for sure banabelile ukuthi asistendeleni nathina kuyahlangana nabo one day batobhala bathi dear local workers sayithanda into lena yenda in our country sinibona nitindlulela sicela kubambisana nani njalo nje we be the greatest team in Africa.
We understand nathi we are taking it from home, we're coming to South Africa, please meet us.
Njani
ingaba mnanzi njani lena uyayibona mama
mahlulwa yini
iyeda lena for the fact ukuthi uyicabangile nami ngathi sengiyayifeel iyeda lena
kancane
siyavela. So Sandra Sam, I am going to ask you this anyway, but I do know with Bandwana they are very close to your heart, so I know I'm not going to get a negative answer from you. But what's your take ngale ukuthi sithathe adoptele ikhali Bandwana in White River, whereby once or twice in a year we see to eat that we go and give to those kids so that nabo batokhona ukuthi baqale kahle esikoleni baqhubeke kahle babe warm masekubanza bagcoke babahle tidzingo letidingwa abantwana labafunda. Ufila njani ngalo ukuthi you feel local workers mara is doing too much man for no reason, or do you feel we are on the right track?
Mina ngikhuluma ukuthi it takes a village to raise a child. Uma umntwana wakaMathemba umbona anganakho akukhipha wena unako ukudla ubekile efridge uhleli ungenasidingo umbone ukuthi shamani kanjalo nalaka local workers bethu bala itimid siwokha nabo angeke kubonani sinebantwana abafana mara sifuna kubabona bakhona sinebantwana abanama-uniforms but sifuna kubabona baphasile esikolweni kude lolo kubalekelelako njani kuletha sithombele esingani kithi as parents siwokha la itimid so I like it very much make sure ukuthi noma ngabe kuthiwa sekuyiwa angels
Michael's
St.
children.
Michael's Children's
Yeah.
Home, yes. Ngimake sure noma ngaba nginamali ngamaningi it's my sister.
Yeah.
Yes. At least 50 rand
We borrow me money. Yeah. Yeah.
Ngifake kunakhona lenkwendako.
Yes.
Ngoba ngiyakwazi kungabi nesiko kunjani. Cabanga ke ukuthi abantwana bakanani bahleli banjani.
Yeah.
Bonke abanasiko.
Yeah.
Akusimnandi. It's a great initiative lengithandako futhi nayo. Noma ngibalekela lendzawo. No, ngibalekela lendzawo ngibalekela le initiative.
What's the reason behind that? What's the tell us? We want to know. What's the reason behind you ubalekela lendzawo?
No, hey, yabona lenyela ngasihamba. Ayikhulumeki. Ngoba ngabuya kunethrop, sabuya sinethrop.
Hayibo. Nadibana nani mfazi?
Yabona sahlangana vele ngibita ngemabhubezi.
Hayibo.
Akusiwe emabhubezi tinja.
Eh.
Satibona setila. Inja yase St. Michael's siyayathi sahamba nayo asilapho behamba nathi. But sathi sibuya sabona lokuthi hayi man mara solo sihamba nayo lethu.
Yeah.
Inja ayisekho sema yini leti TV.
Yeah.
Hayi sativa setila. Mundi atibuka tinja sasitwa imoto eshaya ivili. Other than that ngabe sajuwa.
Ngabe nithi hayibo manje injani ilahle happy ngosiyami senihamba naleti
Inja nayo asiyathi ukuthi yaphele laphi.
abazayi
Ngoba beyisicalela phambili. So
Yebo,
inja
phela.
iyayathi indlela.
indlela.
So akusindo ukuthi ungayigada kakhulu ngoba iyakwadula yakho.
Yeah.
Hayi sasho sesibona amabhubezi.
Sen-adopted people bezayo.
Uyambona Moses omngakanani.
Yeah.
Bese ngikhona yena.
Hayi. Ngiyamfaka seswakhe limbona. Wena sogene.
Phela kunalokuthi mina tinja angisabi.
Yeah.
Mara leti
Yeah.
ngoba sativa setila.
Setilana la.
Hayi.
Yeah.
Phela konke kwathi. Phela konke kwathi. Kuthi tinja phela. Sesifrizile asati ukuthi sendeni.
Yeah.
Ngoba imoto leyo liyashaya ibheli. Ngoba kusinza kwethu vele sabuya sikhupha.
Yeah.
Sakhohlwa ne-fundraising. Ma-hot dog athishe asikhama.
Wesendi.
Sithuke asisadlali noma ngabe besifisile kuqala but akusadlaleki.
Akusahlale.
Ngoba sesikujulayi.
Hayi shame. I'm sorry Mdithana. Yathi Ncesi. I'm not laughing, eh? Angihleki ne?
Hayi asibheki nathi. Nathi asibheki.
Sorry sithando sami. Sorry.
But ku-contribute whenever ufika lesikhathi lesi. You always make sure.
Yeah.
Friendly.
Dogs or not?
Dogs or not, if you're able to buy, buy.
Yeah. Okay. No. Guys, you should ask like how at this point in time, I'm trying to picture those two dogs. Bishara kam jet nenhloko itrita samafilimini manje.
Lalela bekungahlekisi. Bekungahlekisi at all. Sibona ukuthi siyayihleka manje.
Yeah, now we are laughing about it.
Yes.
Bekukuphi?
Hayi kakhulu. Kakhulu. Wazi abantu bebaphambili kwethu.
Yeah.
Sisemuva kwabo.
Imagine.
Yo I and they will never forget.
NgoJune nakudlula tikolo ngidomkhapha ku one of the schools mase babhala the day that I will never forget.
Yes.
I don't.
Right.
Yeah, I understand. No, ngiyabonga sithando sami for that little laugh. Bengasimnanzi the situation, I understand, but now we are laughing about it because you made it. You survived.
Survive.
Yeah.
But nathiwa nje wayitriva. So asiyathi ukuthi
Ngicabanga
iyesabi
kaningi.
ngoba iyaqala.
Yeah.
Ngono nje siyabonga.
Hallelujah. Hi, but in Jesus' name, letisha iphinze thina athi ke Buyani. Buyani kuwalk. Yes, niyathumela mara nani Buyani sanifuni. Angeke phela into yini iphinze kabili.
Angeke.
Akusho ukuthi kutofuna si-investigate
Nasidile nale
bogogo wakudza ukuthi kani letinja leti anisho ukuthi asekhaya dalahlwa.
Imagine worst case nasikhuphuka betingekho tinja sandlula egedeni lakhe.
Becici dona.
Sesihamba on the other side of the road Diavela. Awujani manje.
Hayi, go on. Bathi ke ngiyakuva sithandwa sami you are safe. Ungabuyela tija ngeke kusaphinza. I promise you. Yeah, sinothanda waphetha umbhado ukuthi abuke nje. Yebo bakade tija masihamba le kuphi. Kunamabhubesi singawu-understand ukuthi kubesi bantu. So darling, Tuesday sinal desk le wholesomeness esihlanganise ne-fitness desk. How do you feel about it? Litafula lelo liyakusita noma liyakusita ihlobo nebangani? Uyalandzela yini lokho nomvuyela abakufaka lapha nabo desk?
Siyalandzela noma nje kulikhulu yabona nawune-habit
Yeah.
kulikhona iphuma ngoba one day uyaditshela ukuthi shebe yabona one day
Yeah.
bayothi nje nabathi i-manual week
Yeah.
ibe nje
Ubula
ngithi
phaya.
nje
Yes.
kancane kancane
Kancane kancane.
uyayifunza lento
Yes.
ngoba uyakhona nalokusho ukuthi uyabona nawufuna ukuthi ube kahle khona kwehlisa lokunye nje nasekuphile
Yeah, yeah.
nayi indlela yekudla la ungavele ufobele
Yeah, yeah.
uzutholakale sowugula ngale tinto lotidlako
Kube lisito uyalithola every Tuesday la.
every Tuesday likhona
Yeah.
uze nabo-cheat meal right ukuthi
Kambakathi. Yeah.
I-cheat meal
Ungafuna kuchitha uyachitha nyana.
eat whatever you want
Yes.
usinande umusina sengime right ngayibamba le
Uyayibona?
Hayi,
Abekho harsh like haya bayakalawa ube ne
and
cheat
futhi
day.
lengikuthandako ukudla kwa-everyday lo engikubonako laphaya oats mafruthi lolo hlala unawo
Tinde sinade endlini. Yeah. Yeah.
ingoza nesikhathi mangoza futhi nyalo
Uyayi-understand?
awudingi nokuthi uyolithenga
Hey.
abanye banema-grapes emakhaya akudingi
Yes.
bayowathenga
Mhm.
mandi into lesinayo
Yes.
uyabona
Mm.
siphila ngato letinto
Yeah.
mane sekwala kona nje kwenda ngoba selikhulu
Hey. Hey.
kancane kancane
Kancane kancane. Wena ungaze ungene?
Yeah.
Ungenile.
yabona
Ngeke
ifika
saba madu. Yeah.
kancane kancane
Iyavela.
iyavela kude lo tewalker la ithimini angabi nefika
Yeah.
i-wellness desk inje
Ah.
ngeke
Njani?
ntobathanza iyakuthanda
Yeah. No, ngiyabonga kakhulu Sara Sam for that information. Vele kunjalo Nkosi yami asisheshi sibambe but siyafisa ukuthi ngathi singayilandzela. We are getting there. We are getting there. Every day because one day nomvuyo sahlangana nawo kubona usidudla athi ngicela ukuthi every day mawudla ngishuthele isithombe salokudla kona. Ngifuna kubona le mistake lengiyendako Tuesday yabona yaqama ngafika lapho singangena emgceni ukuthi yabona nawo sekuyanyukela umnikazi walento so ufuna i-proof ke manje masicaleni before bafika lapho bonke lapha nabo Daphne i-team yabo batosishutisa ithombe la kuya.
umsebenzi wabo muhle kakhulu
Yeah.
nangale ndlela bayipresenta ngayo lento
Yeah.
iyaheka ikwenda ufune kuyenda lento
Yes.
noma ungakhoni but akubana leligqozi ukuthi
Yeah.
yabona nami one day
Ngizoqala.
ihlelekile mani ubhalele kuthi Monday ungahamba kanje
Yes.
Tuesday uzofika ku-Sunday uzofika
Uyayibona?
nge-cheat meal hayi
Okay. Ngichaza ukuthi u-excited nge-cheat. You just wanna cheat. Uyazibona zonke mother the cheat is very important.
kuyasetshentwa uma ufuna kuba right
Yeah,
Mara
yeah,
kubalulekile
sempini.
nokujabulisa kanye nje
Uchithe nje kanye.
ujabule nje kayi-one uyathi ukuthi hhayi and angeke uve nebuhlungu ngoba uyathi ukuthi le nto usatoyisebentela futhi
Yebo. No, ngikuvile sithandwa sami. Kuko konke le ngikuphika phako la ngasiswami ukuthi the cheat day is very important. But well, of course, ama-meals abaluleke kakhulu. Remember, it's not only about umtimba ukuza urigehla, but it's about i-health yakho. Le health yakho bobiphini nani masawuqala utshintsha kudla nani udla kahle. Lokunye kuyagwemeka. So guys, ningakuthathi kancane lokho labasendela kona. It's very important. Kubalulekile ukuthi siwalandzele ama-meal plan wabo, sende nalama-exercises. Ungayibuka nje ngathi siyahlanga masiziphaza laphayana nomvuyo ufake itipinashi, ma-peanut butter, usuyahlanga lo. But masawukulandzelela, I'm telling you, bese uyabuya ucheck i-health yakho afterwards, you'll see ukuthi kunemehluko lomkhulu. So asikulandzeleleni lokho kubalulekile, bakuyentela nina, bakubekele nina. So please, simfuna ni-healthy. Use it. So Sithanda, uyabona bekunetimvula ngize ngifuna ukubuka lenzayo le kunemvula leni Sunday yana sikhashana lesincane lapha emathafeni mara yamosha a whole lot of houses ngiyamusho nje la ekhaya sinelisiko lokuthi uma ngabe kule leti mvula letikhulu whether labantu bakuleyo area basiwokha nabo asiwokhi nabo siyahlanganisa bese siyahamba siyovela sisite la singakhona khona ufila njani ngalokho because lokho manje akusafaki just local workers members kusuke ku-community yethu ivelele ngokuthile and then siyahlanganisa bese siyahamba so sita kulawo makhaya lasuke lavelwe ile nkinga do you feel i-local workers man kanti sesihlangana kuphi nabantu abangafuni nekutowoka thina sesiyobasita yena wrong noma si-right
Little Bible.
yeah
Love your neighbor as you love yourself.
yes
Angeke ukuthi uyekuthanda. Ungakhona khona lolo la eceleni kwakho ukuthi kunesho.
yeah
Mina unfortunately sengithi fortunate.
Yes.
Ngemvula le ndeke Sunday angayiboni nokuyibona.
inamathafeni kuphela ngikutshela I'm telling you beyito attack thina
Befuna nini nje
thina because akukho lababika imvula khona I think naso white river bathayimile kancane but emathafeni vele abasebenzi bayika isikhathi image
kubalekile sisaqala ngiyela kuleli lapho bengilikhuluma ebantwaneni.
yebo sis
Angeke uphilisane nebantu. Uhluleka ngibona lolo la eceleni kwakho
Yeah.
ukuthi ngabe usenkingeni.
yeah
Njani?
Njani?
Sho ukuthi awuthandi banawe, sho ukuthi awukholwa futhi.
yes yeah
Ngoba kubalulekile ukuthi sithandane.
yeah
Uma sithandana sizosekhona ukusikana. And God loves a cheerful giver. Ungaze usibone wena ukuthi bathi sinikele laphayana. Ngoba uNkulunkulu akasekwamdeni ukuthi bavele sobanisile sekuyafana. Sekuyafana.
yeah
So akufike kithi ezintweni zethu ukuthi njengoba emathafeni nje kunale nkinga
yeah
bakhona labadzinga emathayela
Yeah.
emathayela wena ahleli azayarusa
yebo
why ungawathathi emathayela uyopha abantu emathafeni bakhona ekubhala indaba unekudla kuhleli abasanakudla kumoshekile why kona lokho lokuncane sibadala nje lesiyi-1 se-stepping chart
Yeah.
emabhesi
Yeah.
siyawela umehluko lomkhulu lomunye umntwana a cup nje of rice i-cup nje yemphuphuko 2 cups
Yes.
bayakhona kulala abadlini or if you can buy uhambe uyothenga ngoba kuphila kithi
yeah
nawe ungakhona ukudlulisela kulabanye siphilisane singavile ngoba angeke sathi ukuthi emvula iyosuka emathafeni yalo
iye kuphi yes
sitolotolidzinga nawe kusasa
yebo sithanda yebo
so it's a great initiative nayo le
yeah
asikhipheni team lokhona ngokukhipha ngiyanigqugqutela kakhulu ukuthi do it uma kuthi nikela nangemali ubone ukuthi benta njani
Yeah.
do that
Yes.
awathi uNkulunkulu into okwendela kusasa ngalokho lokunikela ngako namuhla lokhu lokubona ukuncane wena kukhulu
no there you have it ke vele nje mina la ekhaya akekho umuntu lonehlulile manje ngwabude ke nje lama question ukuthi nikhona ku-understand le family le lesiphila nayo but kupha vele it's very important bantu nasebavelelwe simo lesiso lomunye leyo ndlu yakhe akakacithi nokubhadala le tinto le watiboleka ukuthi ayakhe and then sekuvele lokho and then all of a sudden sekumele acreate lenye imali yokuthi alungise kanti wena unalo lizenke lapha ekhaya you know unalo lifastere lihlete lingasasebenzi asifunzeni kupha kubalekile local workers is here for you to teach you everything lekumele uyade ngebomvu and we do that free of charge Thando I think mina nawe sesikhuluma kakhulu yini wena into longafisa kuyitshela umbukeli ekhaya mlaleli longakajoin i-local workers
nihlaleleni ayibo kumnandi guys la kumnandi emgwaqeni and however lama kilometer nawada
yeah
however uyotithola soshaye 20 kilometers uma ngale ukuthi ngimlo
kanjani la yes
kumnandi guys sithi gcineni si-health ngaphandle kokudla kuphela nalomtimba uba fit awusendeli ukuthi udokotela ukuthi uyagula
Yeah.
njani igcine wena ufit ukuze kuthi nalo lokusazama ukukunyonyobela kungaze nje ufune kuthola ne-chance yokukunyonyobela
yeah
mahala guys akukhishwa mali la ekhaya umsebenzi wakho nje ukuthi 5:30
yeah
ula
yes
check i-poster ukuthi sikuphi make it a point ukuthi you're on time
Yes.
20 past 5 siyaqala ama-aerobics kubalulekile naloku stretch
I understand.
siyaqala ama-aerobics half past 5 circle time by 6 sisemgwaceni isikhathi sakho ngeke size simosheke by 9 usendlini uyarefresha you continue doing whatever you were supposed to do ngaleli langa leli asibuyeni guys kumnandi yo there's also i-water point
You mustn't forget that one.
guys buyani nitotibonela ukuthi kunani lapha ku-water point
Yeah,
Ake ngisanitshela ukuthi kunani ku-water point
Ababuye
But
batotibonela.
buyani nitotibonela kude lotothi next week buya Buyela.
Uyazibuyela wena. No, thank you so much, Isana Sam. Lamkhabela is a friend. Nibaningi phela lamagama yalahleka. Yes, ngiyabonga ke Queen darling. Asibeke la because singayandisa kakhulu but mhlambe mina kuwe ngisakubuya ngalenge uhlobo we-podcast. Yes, Sithanda Sam. So kimi nasesikhwinethi siyayibeka khona lana ku Lamkhabela. Sibonge kakhulu nge-information losinikete yona. Ngibonga ukuthi ngihloniphe ungiphe isikhathi sakho utele talk mina ngiyahijack but it's not new. So jwayele ukuthi ngiyahijackana. Sabonga kakhulu babukeli bethu emakhaya. Together with Sisikhwinethi we say don't promise, commit. Mwah. #Mpumalanga's finest walking team. This is Lawford Walker's podcast, and of course, this is your host, Rebecca Mjili, signing out. But I will be seeing you soon this coming Saturday at Gap Maiden Police Station. Of course, we'll be having a Human Rights Day walk. Now, mangabe wena ungawati malungelo akho, noma what is human rights? Wena, make sure to uhlangana ne-Lawford Walkers lapha eGap Maiden so that you can learn more about this day. Now, of course, at 20 past 5, the aerobics is starting, and at 5:30, the walk is officially starting. Now, in podcast yethu we have a clip of autism. So do listen to what autism is all about right after this beautiful podcast. Me and you, Asidibane Corner. The theme is black and white. Bye.
Autism spectrum disorder. What is autism spectrum disorder? It is a neurodevelopmental condition affecting communication, social interaction, and behavior. Here are 5 common areas where signs appear. Social communication difficulties. This is where the child has trouble with back and forth conversations, making little or inconsistent eye contact or no eye contact at all, not responding to their name. They have repetitive behaviors, rocking, spinning, and hand flapping, which is called stimming. They love sticking to rigid routines, and they get very upset when a certain way of doing things is changed, especially in the house. They have sensory differences. They are sometimes overly or undersensitive to sound, which can make them sometimes close their ears. They are overly or undersensitive to light, certain textures, maybe of food or clothes, or even pain. They have intense narrow interest on things. They could have a deep and focused interest in specific objects, sometimes to the exclusion of everything else that is going on around them. They have an unusual fascination with parts of object like spinning wheels or the rotation of a fan. They have communication differences. They may be using a few or no gestures at all. They might be having delayed speech. Some do have speech, but they don't understand sarcasm. They take things very, very literally. Some have repeating words, which is called echolalia. You could be saying, "Hello, Queenette," and then they'd say, "Hello, Queenette," back to you. It is important to remember and understand that autism spectrum disorder presents itself differently. It's different for everyone. So the child might not have all the signs. They might be having a few other signs, or they could be having the same signs but in a different way. So what should you do when you see these signs on your child? It is very important that when you see these signs, you go to the clinic or you talk to your child's doctor, and then they are able to refer you to the relevant people. In the case of the clinic, they're able to refer you to the hospital, which will then be able to refer you to the relevant provider who specializes in the diagnosis of autism.